Hi, and welcome to Hands-on Machine Learning with TensorFlow.js. This is your instructor Arish Ali. I am currently the CEO at a people analytics company. Before this, I was working as an artificial intelligence developer at a mental health startup. Prior to that, I was working at a data science company as a data scientist with Mu Sigma. In this course, we'll start in getting ready for machine learning. We'll also set up our environment and basic necessities to test and run our codes. In the next section, on form of supervised learning, we'll go into the details of one of the branch of machine learning called as supervised learning. Next, we'll go into the details of deep neural networks. And as we all know, deep neural networks is all the craze right now. Here, we'll understand what it does and how we can make use of them. We'll have another section on making our models better since we need to improve, and this section will teach you how to improve your model using many techniques. We'll then start using something called as the Layers API. We'll then see something called as the Layers API in building advanced models easily with Layers API, where we'll use the Layers API to build models. And finally, the last section is handling models in TensorFlow, where we learn how to save and load our models or use different models from different Keras or TensorFlow to load it into our TensorFlow.js environment and make use of them. I hope to see you in the course. Thank you.